Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install emu8086 microprocessor emulator on Microsoft Windows 10. But this should work on Windows 7, 8, 8.1 as well. So let's get started. So to download emu8086, you simply type emu8086 and hit enter. Now you can download wherever you want from, but make sure it's a reliable source. So I'm going to download it from cnet, download.cnet.com, and this is what it says. And I'm going to say download now, and this is going to start the download process. It's very small package. You can see it here at the very bottom. It's been downloaded. It's in zip folder, so I'm going to open this in download folder, and here you can see I've got downloaded emu8086. emu8086 must be extracted, so go ahead and extract it. I already have extracted it. Here you can see, and I'm going to install it. So to install it, you simply go ahead and double click on setup and say yes on user account control window, and this is going to be installed in a very easy way. So simply go ahead and say next, next, next again. This folder already exists. Would you like to install the folder anyway? On your system it should not be the case. I'm going to install it for the second time, so I already had that folder created. Now I'm going to say install, and here we have the emu8086 microprocessor emulator setup wizard that says completing the emu8086 microprocessor emulator setup wizard. Save, finish, and this has been installed. Close everything, go to start menu, and you should look for this emulator. I already have pinned this to the start menu, so going to launch it and quickly going to create a hello world program. So go ahead and say new. Okay, so you can launch it from here as well. Go ahead and say okay, and now you can write the program. But let me quickly go ahead and increase the font size. So I'm going to make it 14, and this looks awesome. Go ahead and close it, and now we can start writing the hello world code over here. So if you're very new to this microprocessor programming, assembly language programming, every emulator has a different set of registers. So basically the name are not the same on every emulator. On this emulator we have AX, BX, CX, and DX. So I'm going to print hello world on the console. So I'm going to say MSG, and then you say dB. So this dB means it's 8-bit of data. Hello world, and this means new line. Okay, and then we are going to offset this MSG, the variable name. So you simply say MOV offset, you say DX, and then you say offset, and then the name of the variable, in this case it's MSG. Now that's done. We are going to say MOV AH, and we're going to use 9 to print the string on the console. You can also say 9H or 9, it's the same thing. Now you're going to use interrupt 21H, and this 9 is coming from this 21H. So that's it. Now go ahead and say emulate and say run. Here you have hello world, small program using a emu8086 microprocessor emulator. Alrighty, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. Thank you again. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.